Maroon, so we're at this dope little spot where I'm going to, where we're going to be settling for the day. Guys, so as you can see, we're here going to do a little cooking video for you guys. So we're back with Anna, and we have a new guest on the show. You mind introducing yourself?
Shamel, hi.
Shamel, hi.
Anyways, Labu say him go cook. Not sure about that one there. So I came prepared. Good. Gina, make him run my belly.
I don't understand what take. So why our slippers can't wait? I don't understand. Nice at the shop.
In that shop. I say other than me.
Nah, sure. Possibly. We're just gonna make like, I guess, use this sauce.
Wait.
Yeah, basically.
I never want to put against the next man.
Ready? This hot yet? Pepper. As in, the sauce not really depend on it. The only thing I want it for, I feel like put the chicken in it. The fire now work good with this. But barely hot, but make it go on this. I'm just using some of the jerk seasoning that I had from the rabbit video. I'm just going to kind of make like a gravy to kind of like soak the chicken in a bit before I put it into the wraps. So Anna helped me, guys, and we dice up the rest of the chicken. So this is what we're going to put in the gravy, just to kind of give it a little juiciness, you know. And she's going to help me with the, what are you going to help me with again? The onions. My sous chef for the day, you know. Try to do it like rings, right?
Do it like Bobby did. Do it like Bobby did. Are you just enough? Come garbage.
Can do rings like that?
How big?
Come on, just do anyhow you feel it makes sense.
That's a finger. Shut up, man. Shut up with the cake.
Hey, Sherry, I really hear that. So it didn't really matter. Because as I said, them,
presentation.
yeah, them mainly are going to just...
Cut up your rapture. Cut the onion. Come over your shot. So I want to know your shot. You can let me just over the onion. I love you.
I'm not going bad.
I think you're going to use them this big.
Yeah, I have a small bell pepper here. Just the Anna. Cut up this too. Cut up this too.
Go on. That's nice, little girl. Cut those onions. I actually feel she kept camera up on her girl. Forget those. She used to cut sweet pepper and onion. No, I say you cut sweet pepper. Excuse. I look one in a table, but she kept sweet pepper.
Yo, how she know so much more, Anna?
I don't know.
Guys, what we're going to do, we're just going to drop the chicken in the ready-made gravy to kind of like give it a, you know, more flavor. Kind of just like spread it around like this. This one. Try this one. Cut this one. Because that looks like green. Like it just bad color. Put it in this one.
Bad color.
That not, you feel like when it's fried, it's not gonna be like the soft fry, you know?
When you're softer. And have it clean.
Well, the pieces are fine as it to fire. When we're done the chicken. Maroon, so here we go. The intention with this was to just get the chicken based in some of the sauce. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this off, build up the fire so that we can fry the plantain, and yeah, we can get into making the actual burrito.
It turn off.
No man, that's good.
Oh, it's still recording?
Yeah. Just tap the screen.
Chef Labu.
The one and only. I chew it, I go wash off anyways.
And then we have to go wash out the pot to fry the plantain.
So meanwhile, the pot I wash out, we try to big up the fire.
Yeah. And who's going to make the guac?
Yeah?
What you plan to put in the guacamole?
Yeah, I'm going to make it. I think just mash the avocado, squeeze a little bit of lime. I never carry no honey because the plantain is already sweet. Never want it too sweet. Alright guys, so here it is. So yeah. Rotted. Alright, so we went and got some more fire sticks to kind of get the oil a bit hotter so that we can fry the plantains. So yeah, catch you guys when I put in them in. How are this? Rotted.
I can cook it just this. I'm challenged. What?
I did.
I make it a show all the time with bread.
Yeah?
Because I was wondering if I want, because when we got time to the old like, you know, so get a look at the segment, like a personality, I want to give you.
Squeeze the lime juice on it. No need no more than that actually. Yes!
No! You always have to choose the worst things to put in the store.
You don't need it no softer than this. Alright Maroon, so there you have it. This is the ghetto guacamole. Yeah, so we're just putting in the onions for a bit. They're not going to stay in too long. Just to get a little, you know, get them a little bit soft.
Yeah, saute them.
Let's say if this would have stayed sturdy, but more than likely it's not going to be. Just fold it there, so. But what I'm going to do when I fold it, I'm going to put it on bottom. We're going to lay down, first we're going to start off with the planting. off. Side of the there. Brought in the tops to here. Pull it back. Then they flip from this side. Alright? Come over. First attempt. In a tight enough. So I'm gonna try again with the next one. Going again, guys. Down a few. Some of the onions. Stop work again. Yeah, look at it. So coming in again, right? We're going to go over in front side. Cut the under. Roll it down.
Yeah. Yep.
Nice, you know. Alright, nice and sharp, you know. They there? Yo, vibes! Alright, let me take a picture of this. You guys going to test it for me? Alright, go on and tell me what you think. Honest opinion. Yeah. Have a vibe. What do you think? Eh? You like the chicken? And you say that go spicy. How much you give out of 10?
7.5.
8.5 out of 10. And you say 7? Alright, not bad.
Although we're in a kitchen, we have taste better.
It would have taste way better. But I mean, it's still good.
Yeah.
What's your feel?
No, we just eat literally eat.
Oh, brother.
Next time.
Cheese. So maroons, I'm actually going to try it now. Sexy though. Top of 5 for you. How much you give? How much you give?
9.
9 is a 9? Woo! Me sir? Oh, more people. Me get, but that's what me get 8 out of 10.
The other one, cause the chicken spicy.
Tough though. Fire sign still hot, you know? Hey guys, maroons, I'm not going to lie. This is real good. Really good. It turned out good. That's good. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed it. It was fun, it was a good experience, right? A real fun-filled day. Thank you guys for joining us on this adventure. Thank you for subscribing. Remember to leave a like on the video. Remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be what? Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Just see them liberty taking them. Yo!